My name's Henry. I'm one of the CNC operators here at Boeing Sheffield. Essentially we're making parts for the 737 MAX program, all out of steel and aluminium to make the actuators for the wings. The actuator for the 737 is essentially a gearbox which extends the flaps for takeoff and landing. So as a CNC operator, I operate lathes, mill turns, using computer numerical control to essentially cut, subtract, manufacture these components. A CNC machine is a machine operated via a computer. It's all electronically run, so we have a program which takes out the human factor on repeatability and reliability of the machine. The program runs through the machine and that controls the actual cutting and subtractive manufacturing involved. These parts have a variety of different routes. Some will go through different machines, some will all be done on one machine. These will go through skills that aren't on a machine, such as hand finish and part wash, and they'll all go through quality assurance before shipping out the door. So obviously being a subtractive manufacturing side, waste of material is inevitable. All the cuttings and swarf we take away from the process will be recycled and use it in other industries. The people I work with make work worthwhile. It makes work enjoyable. Working with people similar to your ages, working with people not similar to your age, gets you life experiences and advice. I'm now moving on to further education, including HNC. I've cross-trained on multiple types of machines, which makes me more versatile, and it makes me more versatile as well for progression and moving on. Having skills on lathes, millers, mill turns, sliding heads, it opens up many opportunities and many doors. For example, supporting different programs around the world. It enables me to travel around the world and support the 787 program running a different type of machine that I would do in Sheffield, but I've got the skills to do over there.